Hello everyone, my name is Miss Namrata Mohanzadav. I am from Sakode. I am pursuing BE Electronics and Telecommunication from Trinity College of Engineering and Research. So I have worked on the topic solar tracking for automatic irrigation system, implementing the solar tracking in automatic irrigation system, which pre-built solar tracking kits that includes the sensors, motors and connects the kit to your solar panels, allowing it automatically adjust their positions based on the sun movements, optimizing the energies and capturing the irrigation system. It detects the sunlight and adjusts the solar panel accordingly. It is more useful for the farmers. It generates the power to meet the irrigation system and needs and the environmental sustainability. So now I am working on the project plant disease detection using CNN DLL on Raspberry Pi. I am working on the leaf of the tomato plants and working on the 9 different diseases of the tomato leaf, which causes which caused by the different factors due to the environmental factors. If the disease get defected, then all the process of the plants change. Their nutrition process changes, the photosynthesis process changes. So we do not get proper nutrition of the plants. So it affects the production of the tomato. So by using the technologies like deep learning, convolutional neural network, and Raspberry Pi. So in this project, CNN plays very important role in working as a classifier for the healthy leaf and the defective plant. This classifies the tomato leaf according to the color, texture, ages, and the data sets. I'm working on the 10,000 images, in which 7,000 images are for testing of the data sets and 5,000 images are for testing and 1,000 images is for the healthy leaf. We are working with 80 to 20 pattern. So 80% is for the training purpose and 20% is for validation purpose. So we use performance matrix for the classification. I'm using the Raspberry Pi. It is a mini computer and it is captures the images of the leaves, and also it is smaller in the size. So overall flow of the project is we are taking an input from the plant, input images from the plant, which we have taken as a data set of 1,000 images, I think. So we are doing the pre-processing of that images, then feature extraction. In this feature extraction, we are extracting the images according to the ages, texture, colors, and etc. So CNN classification, CNN is a very important, plays an important role in this. So for classification, for classifying, is it a normal leaf or abnormal leaf? If it is normal leaf, it is used for identifying the diseases and the overall working of this project to identify the disease, and it is useful for the farmers. This project involves the implementation of plant disease detection using convolutional neural networking with deep learning on the Raspberry Pi. The key steps includes the collecting of the labeled data sets, then pre-processing of the data sets, then selecting and training of the CNN model, optimizing the models for a Raspberry Pi, and deploying the models on the Raspberry Pi with the camera model for the real-time interference, and optimizing and creating the user interference for displaying the results. So overall goal is to create the compact and efficient system for defecting plants and diseases using the deep learning on the resources platforms like Raspberry Pi. We are using another platform as a Python. So Python used for farmers for plant disease detection. It is helpful for identifying the crop defects, monitoring of the crops, and it is affordable for the farmers, and it is used for the real time and the smart farming system. So this was the overview of all whatever I have worked work till now. So how I have done the 10,000 data sets. I have collected 10,000 data sets of the plant tomato leaf. So I'm working on these data sets, and we have done the processing of the images according to the features, texture, and the images. So now we are going to deploy in the Raspberry Pi to capture the images and to identify the defects. And so we will work on it soon. Thank you.